Hello everyone, thanks for joining me today. Today we are working outside of the studio. It's a beautiful day today and I'm outside on my patio and I have a project in front of me that I just completed and I thought I would show it to you all. I love pansies this time of year and I gathered a collection of different colors and put them in one plastic container to insert in this beautiful blue and white container. And it was as simple as that. The only thing I had to do was to measure the original container that I wanted to place it in, and it turned out to be really nice. I have begun my raking in the gardens, and I still have lots to do. But I thought I would take this opportunity and show you one of the ways that I get the leaves out of the beds. Leaves that have been there since winter. It's a very simple process. All I do is rake all the leaves away from the shrubs and the arborvitaes and bring them out at the edge of the bed and bank all the leaves there so that I can gather them up and take them to the recycle area. Today's garden tip. There are several reasons why I leave the leaves in the beds over the winter months, but the most important for me is the nutrition for the plants themselves and also to mulch and protect them over the winter months. And of course, these insects and worms that are very important because they break down all of the leaves, which in turn produces very rich soil for our gardens, making our gardens beautiful and healthy. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you know where to reach me. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all again next time. You may be interested in this.